All right, so to get a good credit score as a teen, it's not even that hard. You just have to follow the steps. So, if you guys don't even know what a credit score is, it's just a number that shows how trustworthy you guys are with your money. So, it ranges from 300 to 800, and if you're on the higher end of that, like 700 and above, it just shows like lenders, like a bank or something, that you can pay back that loan, and they're more willing to give you that loan. So some of these loans are like auto loans, like for a new car, and a lot of young people, they can't finance new cars anymore, or they couldn't before anyway, but they can't finance new cars without a parent doing it for them because of the lack of the credit score. And so the first thing you guys can do is get added as an authorized user under your parent's card, and you can do this. I think the minimum age for some banks is 12, but you could even add a baby as an authorized user. And if your parents are like iffy about putting your name and giving you a card under their account, you don't even have to use that card. They can just keep it for you or destroy it. It's not a big deal. You don't have to. You just have to have your name in the account. And if you are 18 and your parents don't want to put you as an authorized user anyway, you can open a student credit card. And with the student credit card, you just have to be 18, like I said, and have like a proof of income, like a part-time job. And with the student card, that just builds your credit score, and you can open one with like a little to no credit history anyway. And the best thing is to keep your spending minimal on the card and always pay it off full every month, and don't do no late payments, because that's just gonna plummet your score and make the process of getting a good credit score even harder than it already is if you're starting out new. Something else to think about is treat your credit card like it's cash. Only use what you have or what you can afford. Do not think that a credit card is just free money, because you're gonna have to pay it off in full every month. And if you don't, there's interest payments, and credit cards have high interest if you don't pay the credit card bill. I think most of them are around 20%, which is really high if you don't pay. So let's say you don't pay $100 bill, it goes to 120, you have to pay then. And another thing is to keep your credit spending low. So let's say if you get the student card and your limit is 1,000, I would recommend maybe using below 10%, maybe a little more, so $100 a month on that, just to show that, I don't know, it's like you're not scaring the bank that you're using your full limit all the time. And it shows the bank that you're not relying on the credit card. You have other ways to pay for stuff. And so really just don't go use your full limit when you get a credit card. And another thing that's good is it's good to monitor your credit once you do get your credit card, and it's not even that hard. You can use apps like Credit Karma or Credit Sesame. Those are good apps for checking your credit score, and they don't lower your credit score because it's not considered a hard inquiry. And if you don't know what a hard inquiry is, it's when let's say you're getting a mortgage, or again you're gonna get a car. They check your credit score to see if they would give you the loan, and that is a hard inquiry. And if you have too many hard inquiries, that lowers your credit scores. A hard inquiry is also applying to a lot of credit cards. That's also a hard inquiry. So maybe I'd say keep it minimal. Hard inquiries, don't overdo it. And also, if you're a college student and your parents pay for your college, it'd be good for you guys to get a subsidized loan. So if you don't know what that is it's a loan, but the government pays the interest. You don't pay the loan during your time in school, you pay after 6 months, and you want to put the loan in your name but have your parents pay for it. So it just shows again that you're trustworthy with your money, because you could pay off this loan. And to end it off is just stay consistent with your credit card. Pay it all in full all the time. I'd suggest maybe if you're not good with managing your money, pay for every purchase you make, you pay it off like when you get home that night of. So that way you won't forget, or it might be easier for you to manage to see how much money you're actually wasting. And alright guys, that's it. There's not really many steps to it. You just have to follow what I said, and if you gained anything from this, just please subscribe or like and comment if you have any questions or what I should make a video about next. Thank you.